Hey everyone, Natalie Turner with ENJO Canada. I'm here doing a video because I have only been using the ENJO laundry soap to use in my washing machine for the last 2 years, but we used to use fabric softener. And we don't use fabric softener anymore. A lot of people ask about the ENJO laundry soap, and I explain to everyone that it is a plant-based, natural, gentle soap that is incredible for anyone with sensitive skin and so on. But another question I get asked is, well, what about fabric softener? When you put your clothes in the dryer, do you get a static and all that? Well, I just wanted you to know that no, I do not get static. I do use the dryer sometimes for towels and stuff, but it is an incredible laundry soap, and I wanted to show you how simple it is. So this little bottle here is enough for probably about 100 loads to 120 loads, depending on how much you need. So there's a little dispenser here, and all you need to do is take a half a teaspoon if you want to measure, because this is actually a full teaspoon. So what I'm going to do is show you how to measure it. You take your little pump dispenser. So there's a large bottle of this and a small bottle. This is the 300 mils. So if I measure one squeeze in here, that's a half a teaspoon. This is all you need for a regular load. In my laundry machine right now, I have sweatshirts and bedding. So I'm going to put 2 pumps. 2 pumps is 1 teaspoon. This is all you need to do to put in here. So I'm going to put that in my dispenser. And this is really so simple. This is all you need for your laundry, a half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon. But the other reason why I wanted to do the video is, as I was putting in my laundry earlier, I noticed that this little tab here, which is the one that says fabric softener, I don't use anymore because it used to say fabric softener, so this is useless to me. So I took this out because it actually had all kinds of residue on here. So somehow in the last year or so, it still never got washed off. So I cleaned this all out, but then as I went to go put it back, I'm not sure if you can see or not, but it's really disgusting in there. So I'm doing a video to show you, and a lot of people may not know about this amazing wand. So this wand, see how it bends? It's bended. The reason why it's bent is because I can manipulate this and bend it myself so that I can reach in to clean my toilet. I use this behind the toilet. I use it behind the sink. I use it underneath. I use it for all those things. But look at, I started cleaning in here, and it is an amazing way to be able to clean out your trap in your laundry machine. So this is buildup of soap and stuff that actually has stayed in there. Who thinks to clean this? I never thought about this, but look at this. So I'm going to do a nice little clean of the inside of this using my toilet wand, because I did use it for my toilets, but it's all clean. I washed it all out. It's good to go. So why not, like, look at this thing. There's a kitchen wand like this, which is also on special right now, or available for purchase, but typically it's not available. So I'm going to do a really great clean of this so that there's no buildup. So a lot of times people say, but Natalie, I have a smell in my machine. Well, you might have a smell in your machine because you have a buildup and residue of dirt and stuff that accumulates in either here or also inside the black liner down here. So I also have been able to take this thing, this little wand, and I can typically use my glove to do this, but now that I have this wand, I am going to do this whole thing and clean out the black filter in here because I can't reach all the way. So I'm going to get all those little crevices and clean out that section in here and underneath, as you can see. So I'll do a full video to show you all. And so I just thought I'd chat and let you know that maybe sometimes you need maintenance on your washing machine, and it might be as simple as cleaning this out. Have a great day, everyone.